Namaste, I'm Krishna Chaitanya Mandela, your EV bro. Right now I am in Hyderabad, to be specific Charlapalli, at the EV charging station manufacturing plant of EV Chargeman. And this company is making charging stations starting with the price range of 10,000 rupees and goes up to 18 lakh rupees. They are offering AC chargers to DC chargers. They are offering charging stations for two-wheelers to even electric buses as well. Let's explore what kind of charging business they are offering and their manufacturing plant in Charlapalli right now. So one of the exciting factor about EV Chargeman, they're not only offering a charging stations for electric cars or electric two-wheelers, they're having a unique model. They are offering advertising concept. For example, the active income comes from the charging station business, but they are offering a passive business where there is a display over there. Customers can they can pay money and they add the advertisements for that particular screen. So they can earn up to some amount of money per every month in addition to the charging station business. This is what somewhat unique point for the EV Chargeman. Let's go and talk with the CTO of EV Chargeman company. So, hi Mr. Vinith.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Hi.
So
welcome to our factory.
Yeah.
So this is our manufacturing unit situated in Charlapalli, Hyderabad. It's right behind ECIL. And as you can see, we have a wide range of products in here. We manufacture everything from a 3.3 kilowatt charging station to a 22 kilowatt charging station in AC and a 30 kilowatt charging station in DC to up to 240 kilowatts. Everything happens here and around this place.
So when did it started the company?
So it's been 3 years that we have started this company. Previously, when we started off young, we were in a small flat. We were doing everything in a small scale and pushing everything to a third party vendor. We used to get everything from a third party vendor. But now we have bought many things under one roof. We have our own R&D lab. We have our own assembly line. We keep inventory. We have stock. Pretty much.
So you earlier you were bootstrapped.
Yeah, we are bootstrapped. Yeah.
So this is our R&D.
Yeah, this is our R&D lab. So here, what we do is like we have PCB boards. So what we do is like there are small parts which will be soldered onto the boards. There are two kinds of parts which are SMD and some kind of parts called surface mount. So this is a board that out of our charging station. There are many parts like this. There are smaller parts and bigger parts as well. These small parts are mounted by a robotic machine which is around this. We have vendors for that. And later on we have bigger parts which can be mounted by hand. We hire people according to our order and they will place all this and solder.
So all these parts you are sourced from here or you are making these parts?
These parts are been sourced from in and around India. We have sourced from Delhi in a local market in Hyderabad and few parts we get it from USA, Taiwan and China as well. Apart from just an R&D lab, we also service the boards that we give under warranty. If there are any boards that are been to be serviced, we get them back here. So whenever the boards come for service under warranty or some kind of parts are are under wear and tear, we just get them replaced. For example, this is a connector used in the board. Well, as you can see, these are all our parts. These are small capacitors. And all this can be like soldered onto the board using these. This is a solder machine. We use it for mounting our parts.
So not just selling the chargers but also offer the service under the warranty. That's
exactly. We also provide that kind of service to our customers. So we give 1 year of warranty under which we have a piece-to-piece replacement where if something goes wrong in the charging station, we just replace the whole charging station. This is one of our AC charging station. So this connector, as we had seen earlier, is called a type 2 connector. This can charge any four-wheeler. It can be attached to any place here. You can just put it to the wall or you have a stand right out of your small shop or your business wherever you're running. This setup would cost you around 75,000 and there you go, you can generate revenue just by investing something less than 1 lakh.
What is the capacity of the charger?
So this is a 7.2 kilowatt charging station. So this is our 3.3 kilowatt charging station. So in this you can charge a two-wheeler and a three-wheeler as well, depending upon the battery capacity. For the charging time varies from 2 hours to 2.5, 3, depending upon the battery size. So this is an outdoor unit. It is of an IP65 enclosure. So even if you place it outside, you don't have to worry about the weather condition while charging. So coming
Price?
the price would be at 10,000 rupees per unit. So this is a 22 kilowatt charging station. This is a concept idea that we came up with. As you can see, you can run 2 ads in this and a scrolling ad. So this ad can also provide a passive revenue for the owner who's running the whole franchise setup. So it has 2 guns. Namely, it's called a CCS2 connector. So it has 2 guns and can charge 2 vehicles at a time. To operate this, it's a very simple operation. You just have to use our app. You have to load your wallet. Then you have to open the scanner and you can just scan the QR code, and all the details of the charging station will be displayed in the app. So you can select the time as well, if you want to leave in 20 minutes, or so if you want to skip the duration and charge till whenever you come down to the vehicle, you select that and hit start charge. So you connect the connector to the vehicle and you will get a confirmation in the app saying that it is charging. Unit of electricity will be consumed. For that much amount you will be charged, nothing more and nothing less.
What is the cost of this charging?
Well, this charging station standalone will cost you around 2.5 to 2.5 lakh. Whole of franchisee model, we offer one of this and 2 of these small units. And apart from that, we also provide a flooring, painting, branding, and a canopy if you're putting the setup outside, unlike parking space like this. All the above that I've just said will be included in the franchise package.
Franchise model, how much cost?
Franchise model would cost you 10 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is our 11/7.2 kilowatt charging station. This is an outdoor unit. This can be placed outside. As you can see, it's like made like a telephone booth, which can be placed outside, and inside you have a single gun charging station here. Well, that was a plastic based product. Now this is like full metal and metal charging station. Comes with a single gun. This can be a 7.2 and 11 as well. So this would cost around somewhere between 1 lakh, 1.2 lakh. This is a 11 kilowatt charging station. Comes with a dual gun. So it has 2 guns and can charge 2 cars at a time. This is an outdoor unit again. Can be placed outside. We have glands placed for water protection, and this can be like placed on a slab on a flat ground as well. So this charging station would cost somewhere around 1.5 lakh. This is our DC product. Apart from AC, we also manufacture DC charging stations, but we manufacture DC charging station on order because the parts are really expensive, and we putting them in inventory would take up a lot of budget to have them in our factory. So in DC, as you can see, the wires are really thick. And this is a 240 kilowatt charging station, which can charge a bus, an Electra bus or a JBM bus, which you see on the roads. So this connector is called a CCS2 connector, so which is specific for our in India. This charging station would cost somewhere around 18 lakhs and above. If you include wiring as well, it can go up to 22 lakhs as well.
So Mr. Vinith, for example, if a person purchases a charging station, he always look for service as well. How would you going to offer service to the charging station?
Well, while building this company, we had this in mind that apart from not just selling a charging station, we should also be providing a very good service. So we have something called black box technology. It is a technology that we have developed. So it is standard in every system of our charging station. So what it does is it takes the input from the charging station, and the design is so modular that if something goes wrong in some module, say communication module or some power module or some kind of contactor which provides raw power to via the gun. So if something goes wrong, that black box technology informs us way before than actually it happens. Even before the customer knows something wrong with the charging station, we happen to know in our central management system. See, so and so charging station, so and so part is not working properly. So what we do is we call up our customer and tend to say that something is not wrong, something is wrong with your charging station. So we send our service person to take care of the charging station. If it's a software related issue, we deal it from our CMS only, or if not, physically someone will be sent and they will handle the. We have a dedicated team for that. Yes.
So Mr. Vinith clearly explained about the manufacturing plant of EV Chargeman. They are offering AC chargers and DC chargers, and they have a special thing called black box technology where it will identify if in case any problem may occur. In earlier itself, it will give an instruction that this is a kind of a service problem. It might occur. Whatever the service problems can be reduced in that by using that particular technology. That is what explained by him. So overall, their charging station prices starting from the range of 10,000 rupees and goes up to 18 lakh rupees. If you are planning to buy EV Chargeman charging stations, we will provide the contact details in the screen and the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro. Charge the nature, drive the future.